what's the difference between sight and vision? There's a quote that says, "You don't need eyes to see, you need vision." What do you mean it's not just all about eyes? Often the words sight and vision are used to say the same thing. However, they mean quite different things. Sight is simply how clearly you see, whereas vision is how you get meaning from that information. You could say vision is the eye-brain connection. The eyes are actually an extension of the brain directly connected. Further to that, all vision skills are learned. We're not born with vision, we have to learn it. As with all human skills, we don't always develop perfect human skills. So we could further break the sight part of an eyesight test down to optical blur, health of the eyes, and the smallest image able to be identified. So it's the eyeball on the end of a stick, much like a camera. And if our philosophy of vision is just the eyeball model, then that's all that we test. Excitingly, vision is so much more complex than that. Vision involves functional vision skills and perceptual vision skills. Functional vision skills are the ones that allow us to visually attend and concentrate on what we're looking at in order to get that meaning. It involves two systems, the eye focusing system, also known as accommodation, and the eye teaming system, also known as binocular vision. How much effort we have to exert to make those systems function dictate how efficiently we can concentrate to process what we're seeing. Once again, if we only follow an eyeball model of vision, then this has no relevance because we can either see or we can't. Well, what about how much effort we have to put in mentally in order to see? Problems in these areas can be likened to riding a bike up a hill. If we ride a bike up a hill, we're unable to carry on a conversation at the same time because too much effort goes into consciously pushing the bike up the hill. We cannot process information easily at a high level in the brain, and we fatigue and tire quickly and get sore muscles. If there's not enough ice cream at the top of the hill, then we'll put the bike down and avoid it. All of these things happen when we're reading. We may avoid, we may get sore eyes or headaches, we may fatigue, we may not function to potential when reading and learning. All of these outcomes depend on how hard we push ourselves and our own individual personalities. Functional vision skills can break down due to stress and strain, common in our world today with digital devices and screens, or they may never have developed perfectly in the first place. Now, perceptual vision skills, they are what's needed to accurately decode and give meaning to what we've just seen. Skills like visual discrimination, that's how well we can notice similarities and differences, or our attention to detail, or we confuse similar looking words and fail to self-correct because we just don't notice. Also, there's visual recall, how well we remember what we've just seen in sequence to get meaning for comprehension of that sentence. Or visual perception of direction, how well we've learned how to process direction in the world around us so we know which way letters and words and numbers should go. All of these vision skills are learned and can be trained and all have standardized tests to determine if they're delayed or not. At Smart Vision Optometry, we have a particular special interest in vision skills and don't just do 20/20 eyesight tests. It's important that a comprehensive vision skills assessment is performed to learn to potential and to minimize the risk of sight deteriorating. Thank you.